Alright guys, so we are sitting in a 20-year-old Porsche Cayman 2.7. We have a flat 6 and is naturally aspirated. We have 245 horses, 273 Newton meters of torque, 5-speed Tiptronic gearbox, with pedal shifters or button shifters. And the car is in its 20th year. It has done 41,437 kilometers. And what we have done is actually we have fitted a set of G10 suspension. They are supposed to be replacement suspension. So when I looked at the suspension, it looked like it would be a little bit stiffer than standard. And yes, it is, but it is still in the comfort zone. So I find the shockers quite comfortable, and on the road they behave just like a set of ordinary shocks when the car was new. Of course, over time the original shocks have deteriorated and there's a lot of crashing, a bit of leak on the shock absorber, and the initial bounce or bumps, it doesn't absorb it very well. However, with this one I found that on the road it's very nice, so it's very easy to drive. And what we're going to do today is we're going to check out this 20-year-old car on the mountain and see how it handles with these G10 shocks. So it's going to be a bit of a chill drive. We are on auto mode. We can go to manual if we want, but I think we'll just stick to auto lah. Okay, so this is just the initial corner. Not bad. See, all the crashing sounds as it goes over the bumps are mostly eliminated. I think some of the bushes are already a little bit loose, so you do get a little bit, but the main crashing sound, the sensation of the crashing is no more. So the suspension rides over the bumps very well. Okay, so let's take turn 1. So we are on auto mode, very nice. Moved over for us, very nice. So the suspension, it's supposed to be a replacement shock, so the makers never claim that it's performance shocks, but we are of course checking it out lah. There are many people who have ordinary Porsches and just want to replace them, especially if your Porsche is aged like mine. You might want to have a set of shockers like this. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. So the tracking is good. And the ride is still comfortable. Okay, there's a car sharing the corner. Hey, nice lah. Very good. Okay, so we're here. Okay, they haven't started it yet, but you can use touch and go, RFID, so everything is part of the system. Yeah. Yup, guys, so it's cornering very, very well. Very nice. And the ride is not jarring, it feels good. Nice. Oh, good. Fantastic. Actually, this set of suspension is really a pleasant surprise. It is affordable and at the same time it can perform. Offhand, I would say it's maybe about 5 to 10% stiffer than stock, and it still have plenty. It has plenty of give and compliance, and you know, it very nice. Car coming out. Wow, somebody went into the embankment. I wonder how that happened. Nice. Alright guys, so that was the end of our shakedown run, yeah? And thank you very much for being with us. And yes, these shockers are available. First of all, I give it a pass. Yes, these shockers are really good and they are a very viable alternative to the standard shocks in case your shocks need replacing lah, of course. Okay, and so anyway, I find it good and I think I made a very good investment. Thanks very much and bye bye.